We are just about finished programming our game, so let's start playing to find the errors. I'll do so by clicking on the green flag and testing it by first touching the zombie, then touching the bats, and then touching the key. So, let's play and touch the zombie. I noticed right away that there's an error. My girl touched the zombie, but I didn't see her change colors or scream. So I will go back to the backdrops and I will look at the code. Here, when I receive the lose message, it switches right away to the backdrop you lose and stops. So what I need to do is put a wait code in there so that there's time to see her switch colors and hear her scream. So I will choose under the control scripts, wait, drag it, and connect it to when I receive, but before switch to the backdrop. Let's test it again. I'll do so by pressing the green flag and playing until I touch the zombie. That's good, but I noticed that there was a little bit long of a wait where I heard her scream and then I heard the music. So what I will do is change the wait from 1 second to a half of a second. I can also do the same thing for when I receive the win. So I will change the wait from 1 second to 1/2 of a second. Then I will press the green flag to see if I like my change. That's much better. So now we know that when she touches a zombie, everything works out okay. Let's test it by having our girl walk into the bats. I will start playing the game again by pressing the green flag and then using the right arrow key until I reach the bats. Okay, did you see how it was almost impossible for me to get underneath that zombie? Maybe what we should do is move the girl a little bit lower in our game and make our zombie a little bit smaller. So first I will select the shrink with the 4 arrows pointing towards the middle and click on top of my zombie to make him 1 size smaller. Then I will choose my girl icon and I will go to when the flag is clicked and she goes to her starting position, and I will lower it. I will, instead of putting the Y to -50, I will put it to -100. Then I can press the green flag to see the changes and see if I can make it past the zombie to touch the bats. Perfect! She walked underneath the zombie and made it to the bats. And then she screamed and changed colors. So let's play again and see if we can make it all the way to the key. Uh-oh, that seems too hard. My girl is touching the bats and hardly has any time to run underneath. So I think what I want to do is make my bats a little bit smaller and my girl a little bit smaller. I'll do so by clicking on the shrink icon and making them smaller. First I shrink the bats, and then I will shrink my girl. Now I'll press the green flag and play again. Oh, I didn't make it through. Let me try again. Okay, I noticed that I don't have enough space between my zombie and my bats, so I want to move my zombie a little bit to the left. As I see here, when I press the flag and then stop, there is space to move my zombie to the left. So I click on my zombie sprite, and I will change his starting X coordinates from, instead of -74, to somewhere a little bit closer to the girl. How about right here? This shows an x-coordinate of negative 100, so I will change everywhere where it has an x-coordinate to negative 100. And then I will save my progress.